2013 Volkswagen Routan at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Volkswagen is well equipped with power sliding doors, a backup camera, a V6 engine, a power liftgate, leather seats, power venting third row windows, heated front seats, power adjustable pedals, navigation, a DVD player, tri-zone climate, 0 accidents, third row seats, under 96,000 miles. It's under $15,000. Visit HollidaysburgAutoPlaza.com or call 814-317-5233.